Very hot, very hot. Mungkin awan tapi tak ada awan.
Right now, me and Jin will be heading down to the 4 wheels sand challenge. We'll be driving. Tak ada kereta lah. So we just see how the competition is. So you bet which car will win?
That one.
That one. After the whole competition, which car will win?
Just now the red one, 325. I think this one was very smooth.
Okay. For me, I would get the Range Rover. Range Rover, bukan Range Rover. Yang
Land Cruiser.
Ford Ranger. Ford Ranger. What's the Ford Ranger? Not here already.
Get it, boy. So berapa lama dah ada pandu manual? Tapi nak cabar sikit lah. Tak ada hal.
Lighters driving.
No joke.
Beratur.
Thanks. No. Oh.
So feeling okay.
Excited.
Any advice for Titus?
Just whack, bro.
Just whack.
Just whack it, bro.
Just whack.
Thanks. It's a good ride.
So how you feel? Marau?
Exciting.
Kancong
Kancong, I'm
Check
sweating
your-
inside.
So kasih review sikit. How was it? Okay
Good.
Boleh
So right now is Jin's turn. Whoa! Pretty fast. Not bad. Let's see what's his thought. How was the driving experience?
Was pretty cool. No, on a scale of 1 to 10, 11 is technical.
Shit!
Quite stressful. The steering wheel keep turning other side.
Oh,
then the
yeah,
car
yeah,
ding dong,
yeah,
ding
yeah,
dong.
yeah.
And when I reached the end, only I remember I didn't wear safety belt.
Shit!
But overall, it was nice.
I bet it right. I bet I'm right there. Right. Where got close?
Second place, man. 7 seconds only, man. Second place.
What's up, guys? Welcome to DWS again. So we'll be heading out to the off-road. I think it's 100 kilometers long. And then I'll be sitting Dr. Yu's car.
Dr. Yu's car there. Dia kat sini, Dr. Yu.
Okay. Then you'll be taking Ron's
I'll be
car.
taking Ron's car. Thank you. Kat sana. Dia nampak? Itu dia punya abang.
Okay,
Ini
okay.
Ron punya abang besar.
Ini chef.
Ini chef. 够了。
够喽Pandu ni. Oh shit. Chun sia. Thanks. So I have to halt for a while. I think there's cars brake oil leaking.
睇個掣數，咁耐先睇到一棵 set 放啫，
半毛。
好少嘅喎，唔知做咩喎。係喎，我睇到好少嘅喎。
Brad might give me while waiting.
應該係褪後多少嘅呢度咁細，大佬百里百位嘅。
有啲毛西，有啲毛西。
Alright, all cars are good, and we are heading back. There, Jin. Mai. Finally we reached Kampung Gusai.
Yes, gusai ah.
Tempat cantik ah.
Very cantik.
Ada flora, ada fauna.
Yeah. So now we are hunting for food. We'll look for our friends around here, see what they have for lunch.
Sir.
Jagung sia.
Ini laksa Johor bro. Nasi Arab.
Okay.
Kari ayam. Nasi basmati, kari sayur.
Alright, so tonight what we gonna eat?
Ini nanti makan, nanti mapangsai.
Okay lah, kita ambil laksa lah.
Laksa lah? Okay. Kacau. Oh,
Okay.
laksa.
Smells good.
Makan, test. Makan sejuk. On a scale of 1 to 10.
Kan.
10. Okay, we're back in National Geographic where you see the kerbau is actually looking at us. It's avoiding. Oh shit. No, it's the mother. That's the mother. I don't see a dick. There's a kid right there. Oh crikey, look at that. Look at that kerbau.
Missing someone.
How was the ride?
Okay, bumpy, quite bumpy, but better than just now the gusai.
Betul.
Yeah, gusai there more lah. Wet also, now here dry already, so okay lah.
90 kilometers mark. Oh, buffalo. Water buffalo. You see the horn?
Just stand there, water buffalo.
Missing someone.
Now also left like 19%.
Oh shit, take the power bank.
Alright. Oh yeah, behind. But you have to open a lot of things. So my car also left like 20 to 30 kilometers.
doctor 的 how you
Okay.
feeling now?
How you feeling now? Still left how many kilometers? 60. Oh, your fuel can tahan?
Cannot.
Cannot.
We need mid-air transfer.
Air transfer. Hey, use drone ma.
Wow,
Two drone carry.
okay, got drone. You need like 10 drones to carry like 10 liters to come in, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, finally.
And you.
Haven't reached the. It's a 1 by 1 thing. Whoa, just wood lock only eh. Oh. Let's go, let's go!
Missing someone. And missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Chef 1. Chef 3.
Oh.
Because my stomach is too big, so I
Ya deh,
I
aku
cover
zoom
it.
oi.
Okay. So sekarang saya tengah masak cekodok bilis. Ikan bilis apa? Ikan bilis. Sedang lah. Kau main bola asal je. Apa ikan bilis bahasa Inggeris apa? Ha?
Anchovy.
I'm cooking anchovy cekodok apa? Fla. Ha? Anchovy fla.
Boleh ya?
Boleh lah.
Siapa buatnya? You buatnya, dia buatnya.
Ini
Chef tu.
Chui chef.
Oh, sous chef.
Ah,
Oh,
sous
sous
chef.
chef ya. So now it's like almost 9, and then me and Eugene are prepping up. Then we will hop on to all these cars. Any one of the cars. Wih, handsome sangat. Ayo.
Angin saya apa yang
Yay, finish. Wow, 1 ton, 100 kilometers. We are now heading to Cherating with Eugene because we have urgent things to do, work stuff to do. So
Businessmen's.
shit.
People carry power bank, you know. We carry what? Power station lah, guys. Come on.
Right now we are heading to 1000 to makan with some of the crew members also. So that was a great experience. Experience. I mean, all new friends, I would say.
Meet new friends, had new experiences, and of course, we tried a sneak peek of extreme camping.
Yeah.
The full thing, but just enough for us to think to buy LC already.
Oh shit.
Itu dia.
I think I'll go for Defender lah.
Defender.
Jimny. But Jimny cost.
I prefer the Prado.
All thanks to By the Billions
sir.
for giving us this chance to enjoy this whole trip. That's all for today's video. Once again, my name is Titus.
My name is Eugene.
See you when I see you. Ciao.
Peace.